Step inside the specialized world of luxury textiles as we explore the creation of premium Angora wool clothing. The process begins with the arrival of raw Angora fiber, known for its extreme softness and warmth. Every batch is meticulously inspected to ensure the fibers meet strict standards for fineness and length today. The fiber is gently tumbled in a de-dusting machine to remove impurities while preserving the delicate structure.
Angora fibers are washed in a gentle solution to remove natural oils without damaging the hollow core.
Drying is a slow and careful process using low heat to maintain The carding process aligns the individual fibers into a uniform web, preparing them for the spinning stage. Individual fibers are transformed into a continuous sliver as they move through the high-precision carding machinery. Advanced spinning frames apply the perfect amount of twist to create yarn that is both strong and. Yarn is wound onto bobbins at high speed while sensors monitor for any inconsistencies or thin spots. Every bobbin is tested for strength to ensure the final luxury clothing can withstand years of wear.
Digital knitting machines translate complex designs into soft garments with incredible speed and high precision for fashion.
Modern technology allows for the creation of seamless garments, reducing waste and improving the overall comfort of.
Skilled operators perform the linking process to ensure every seam is as soft and flexible as is fabric. Wooling uses moisture and heat to slightly felt the fibers, creating the iconic soft halo of Angora. Gentle brushing enhances the characteristic fluffy texture that makes Angora one of the most comfortable fibers known. Dyeing Angora requires expert precision to achieve vibrant colors while maintaining the delicate hand of the fiber. Precise measurements are taken to ensure the yarn meets the exact specifications for weight and thermal insulation. Final labels are added as a mark of quality and a guarantee of the fiber's authenticity.
Every piece of luxury clothing undergoes a final check to ensure it is absolutely perfect for consumers.
Steam finishing sets the fibers and ensures the garment arrives at the retail store in pristine condition. Luxury packaging protects the delicate fibers and reflects the high value of the finished Angora wool garment. Pallets of luxury winter clothing are prepared for distribution to the most exclusive boutiques around the world.
Modern fiber processing factories prioritize
The hollow structure of the fiber provides superior insulation, keeping the wearer much warmer than traditional sheath.
Maintaining the correct pH is essential to prevent the delicate protein fibers from becoming brittle or breaking.
Logistics and automation allow for the smooth flow of material through the various complex stages of production.
Constant monitoring ensures the yarn maintains a consistent diameter, which is vital for high-quality knitted garments. Linking is a high-skill task that creates a seam that is virtually invisible and very strong. Standardized lighting helps inspectors detect any minor shade variations that could affect the garment's luxury status today. Cleanliness is paramount in a high-end fiber factory to prevent any cross-contamination of the batches. The scale of the operation is a testament to the global demand for high-quality winter clothing. Advanced KD software allows designers to push the boundaries of what is possible with delicate Angora fibers. The final result of this long and complex process is a garment of unparalleled softness and warmth. Moisture levels must be strictly controlled to prevent the fiber from clumping or degrading during the processing. Precise humidity control is necessary to prevent static electricity, which can cause the fine fibers to fly. Even the smallest components, like thread, are selected for their durability and compatibility with the soft fiber.
Robotic systems manage the inventory of finished yarn, ensuring that the knitting machines are always supplied properly.
Regular maintenance of the carding teeth is vital to ensure the fibers are brushed without being broken. Lubricating the yarn reduces friction and prevents the delicate Angora. Pilling tests ensure the garment will maintain its smooth and fluffy appearance even after long-term use.
Scanners provide real-time tracking data, ensuring the luxury goods reach their destination on time for season.
Skilled craftsmanship is passed down to new generations to maintain the high standards of the luxury industry.
The level of detail in linking is extraordinary, requiring high focus and steady hands from the operator.
Tailoring Angora requires specialized equipment and techniques to ensure the soft fabric maintains its elegant structural shape.
Responsible manufacturing includes the treatment of all chemicals used in the dyeing process to protect the environment.
Protein analysis confirms the purity of the Angora, ensuring no cheaper fibers have been blended into batch.
Every detail of the unboxing experience is designed to reflect the high quality of the Angora wool. Another day begins in the high-stakes world of luxury fashion as soft fibers become winter clothing.
Automation provides consistency in the final presentation of the garments before they are boxed for the customer.
Proper tension is the key to preventing defects and ensuring a uniform stitch across the entire garment.
Color fastness testing ensures that the vibrant dyes will not bleed or fade during the garment's first wash.
Lint collection is a constant task that keeps the machinery running smoothly and reduces the fire risk.
Precision threading is required to ensure the yarn is spun without any interruptions or defects in quality. Redundancy is built into the facility to ensure the sensitive machinery never stops during a power outage.
Voice technology helps workers manage complex international shipping requirements with a high level of accuracy and speed.
Automated labeling ensures that every garment is correctly priced and tagged for its specific global retail destination. Renewable energy provides a significant portion of the power needed to run this modern and efficient textile. Spectrophotometry provides a scientific measurement of color, ensuring every batch is identical to the brand's master shade.
Modern warehouse equipment allows for the efficient use of space and fast retrieval of materials for production.
Smaller accessories are handled with the same level of care as the larger garments in the factory. Maintaining high air quality is essential for both the workers and the purity of the delicate fibers. Dust can interfere with optical sensors, so regular cleaning is vital for the continuous operation of machines. Laser scanning provides instant and accurate data on fiber quality, helping managers make informed decisions on production. Hand finishing allows for the fine adjustments that give luxury items their characteristic drape and elegant feel. Every step of the process is recorded digitally, providing a complete history of the garment for quality.
Protecting the finished goods during transport is the final stage of the factory's commitment to excellence today.
Real-time monitoring of yarn tension prevents breakage and ensures a smooth and consistent spinning process always. Dye lot tracking ensures that every piece of a garment is knitted from the exact same batch. Safety is integrated into every aspect of the factory's design to protect the skilled workers on site. Maintaining a consistent stitch density is essential for the garment to keep its shape over many years. Even the ribbon used for packaging is selected to match the brand's aesthetic and high-quality standards. The day ends, but the high-quality garments produced will provide warmth and luxury for many years. This hazy appearance is the result of thousands of tiny fibers trapping air for superior thermal insulation.
Bobbin maintenance ensures the yarn is wound evenly and without any snags that could cause knitting defects.
Storing renewable energy helps the factory reduce its carbon footprint and maintain a steady supply of power.
Efficient loading of the shipping container maximizes space and reduces the carbon footprint of the international transport.
The final product is a masterpiece of textile engineering, providing elegance and warmth in the harshest winters. Solubility testing ensures the dye is fully dissolved, preventing any spots or uneven coloring in the yarn. Linker maintenance is vital for creating a seam that is both durable and perfectly smooth for user.
Compressed air powers the high-speed assembly tools, allowing for the rapid and precise joining of garments.
Automated sealing provides a consistent and secure closure for the boxes during the long journey to market.
Infrared technology provides a high level of quality control, detecting defects that are invisible to the eye.
Safety compliance is monitored daily to ensure a secure working environment for all the factory staff members. Seam inspection is a critical final stage to ensure the garment meets the high standards of luxury.
Even the tape used for shipping boxes is branded to reflect the luxury status of the garments.
Keeping the floor clean is an ongoing process that prevents the buildup of delicate and flammable fibers.
Brushing opens up the fiber bundles, preparing them for the intense combing and carding stages of production.
Maintaining the carding rollers is vital for the creation of a uniform web and high-quality sliver.
Weather monitoring helps the factory optimize its climate control systems and reduce its overall energy consumption daily.
Chemical reagents help identify any contaminants in the yarn, ensuring the final product is pure and safe.
Premium presentation is the hallmark of the luxury industry, reflecting the quality and the craftsmanship of garment.
Microscopic analysis ensures the fibers have not been damaged during the spinning or the knitting process today.
Needle maintenance is an ongoing task that prevents snagging and ensuring the high quality of the fabric.
This luxury factory is a model of modern textile engineering, proving that sustainable fashion is possible today.
The journey ends in a warm home where the luxury winter clothing provides comfort and timeless style.
Measuring the loft confirms the success of the finishing process and the superior warmth of the garment.
Experience the amazing precision and dedication required to manufacture the finest Angora wool clothing in the world. Step inside the luxury Angora factory and see how high-tech engineering is changing the fashion world.
Now you have seen the full process of how Angora wool clothing is made in this factory.